3 Best Cryptos to Buy for a Gold and Commodities Portfolio in 2024. Trent Alan last updated January 18, 2024 21:25 EST. Foreman read, the digital asset market has seen astronomical growth over the past few years, with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin cementing their place in the financial mainstream. Major milestones like Bitcoin's market capitalization crossing $1 trillion and El Salvador adopting it as legal tender signal a broader embrace of decentralized finance. This mainstream acceptance peaked last week with the highly anticipated launch of the first spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs in the U.S., providing easy access for Wall Street investors, with the upcoming Bitcoin halving event in March 2024 set to further restrict supply and drive appreciation. All signs point to a breakout year for crypto. Savvy investors are taking notice and looking to diversify their portfolios with digital assets and tokenized commodities set to ride this wave. Bitcoin and Ethereum have staked their claim as digital gold and digital oil, respectively, displaying similar speculative properties to their physical counterparts. Meanwhile, commodities like gold are still an attractive hedge, with tokenized representations unlocking 24/7 liquidity. This potent combination of tokenized traditional assets and next-generation decentralized protocols offers investors diverse exposure to bypass third-party risks. As crypto steps firmly into the mainstream spotlight, allocating to this growing new asset class provides balanced growth. Careful portfolio allocation and mindful picks could amplify returns in 2024 and beyond. The case for the best crypto to buy is digital gold. Bitcoin's designation as digital gold stems from its intentional scarcity and decentralized nature, which contrasts precious metals. The cryptographic algorithms underpinning Bitcoin cap its total supply at 21 million coins, unlike gold's ongoing supply as mining technologies advance. With 19.6 million already mined, new Bitcoin generation will taper off completely by 2140. This hard limit gives Bitcoin verifiable scarcity. Bitcoin also operates as a decentralized network, with no central bank or authority manipulating supply. Instead, consensus rules encoded into the software's open-source protocol govern Bitcoin generation and transactions. Miners provide computing power in exchange for Bitcoin rewards, enabling peer-to-peer transfer of digital value. According to Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki, this digital gold stands to reach new heights. Kiyosaki predicts Bitcoin will achieve a price of $135,000 on its way to eventually largely replacing gold's market share. While bold, this projection falls in line with Bitcoin's past growth. From trading under $1 in 2010 to reaching over $60,000 in 2021, Bitcoin has delivered over 9 million % gains in just over a decade. Bitcoin's ascent may continue if a fraction of global wealth flows into scarce digital gold over physical gold. Expanding crypto adoption for payments and remittances further cements legitimate use cases. For investors, allocating even a small portion to this digital asset could produce substantial growth. Tether Gold for tokenized gold exposure. Tether Gold's out offers a novel way to invest in physical gold through crypto tokens pegged to real ounces. Each ZOUT token represents ownership of 1 troy ounce of gold stored in professional vaults. This structure provides key benefits: direct exposure to gold prices. As a stablecoin, ZOUT moves in sync with prevailing gold rates for tokenized exposure. Reduced volatility compared to gold futures or miners. ZOUT's physical backing avoids derivatives risk and leverage fluctuations. Institutional scale gold ownership starting from fractions of an ounce. Tokens enable easy divisibility. 24/7 trading and instant transfers. ZOUT unlocks gold's advantages for digital asset markets and DeFi. Technical analysis also suggests a long-term potential for this tokenized commodity play, scored high on Investor Observer's proprietary metric, ranking it favorably compared to over 57% of cryptocurrencies for steady, long-term growth. Ideal for buy-and-hold investors seeking assets with bullish technical outlooks. With gold expected to continue appreciating as a stable hedge, Tether Gold unlocks investment exposure through crypto's convenience. This asset tokenization model could enhance portfolio diversification and returns. Bitcoin Minetrix, best crypto to buy for crypto mining exposure. Bitcoin Minetrix presents a promising new model for crypto exposure through staking rewards tied to Bitcoin cloud mining. The project centers on its native ERC20 token, BTC-MTX, and its stake-to-mine method. Participants can stake BTC-MTX tokens to passively earn mining credits proportional to their stake. These credits will provide Bitcoin cloud mining hash rate without direct investment in rigs. Key advantages of this approach include more secure and scam-resistant alternative to mining contracts. Exposure to Bitcoin mining rewards without heavy transaction fees. Early access with Brazil BTC MTX price locked at 128 cents, rising over 39 stages. Raised $8.2 million so far to fund development, marketing, and mining infrastructure. As the first Bitcoin ETFs mint a new class of crypto investors, Bitcoin Minetrix offers a low-friction path to participate through staking. Allocating to these mining rewards could enhance portfolio growth and diversification. Buy Bitcoin Minetrix. Here are the best cryptos to buy for growth in 2024. The meteoric rise of crypto assets like Bitcoin and the launch of the first U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs highlight a broader embrace of decentralized finance in 2024 and beyond, as digital currencies stake their claim as digital gold and tokenized. Commodities like Tether Gold bridge crypto convenience with traditional stores of value. Investors have potent new tools for portfolio growth. Bitcoin Minetrix's stake-to-mine method also expands access to crypto mining rewards without prohibitive barriers to entry. For investors, allocating prudently across the spectrum of digital assets, tokenized commodities, and next-generation protocols unlocks diversified exposure to bypass third-party risks. With prudent portfolio allocation, prime cryptocurrency picks like Bitcoin, Tether Gold, and Bitcoin Minetrix could amplify returns as some of the best cryptos to buy for growth in 2024. Follow us on Google News.